Okay. Good morning. For a standard 9 student, as about the part of social science, it is clear that second chapter, term 1 for the syllabus of standard 9 indicate about the matter concerned to the social science as a history about the socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. This chapter indicates about the matter concerned to the European Revolution, especially in Russia, as a special focus towards the socialism and communism. This chapter indicates about the matter concerned to the Renaissance of Europe through the revolutionaries by the revolution, which will be carried out over the Europe with the help of the French Revolution 1789 as well as the British Code of Conduct, Egyptian Code of Conduct and so on, factors which responsible about the inspiration of the socialism in Europe as well as the Russian Revolution. We are already know before as the socialism became spread over the Europe with the help of the three group of revolutionaries. First group of revolutionaries were called the people who gathered and collective led to the revolution as about the spread of socialism. With the help of the three groups, first one as a liberal from the Europe, second one as a radical and third one as a conservative. Liberals were a group of revolutionaries who wanted to the change with the secular and democratic means of administration, who opposed dynastic aristocracy apart from universal adult franchise among the men and women. So that liberal were there, the group of society from the Europe who trying to overcome about the problem among the European society with the help of the new system of the secular and democratic system of administration apart from adult franchise or semi-democratic system of administration. Now let us second group of the Europe who trying to overcome about the problem concerned to the administration with the help of the particular group considered as radicals. The radicals were there, a group of the revolutionaries from Europe who wanted a nation in which government was based on the majority country population, with adult franchise among men and women. Men and women adult franchise, but who oppose about the wealthier landowners and factory owners as a private property. So differences were there. The people who organized together who wanted to the adult franchise-based administration system through the aggressive view of the protest considered as a radical, who became as a revolutionaries who wanted a nation in which government was based on majority country population with the adult franchise among the men and women, but they opposed wealthy landowner and the factory owners and grant private property. So two groups from the Europe before Russian Revolution who emerged over the Europe, first one as a liberal and second one as a liberals after the radicals. Both were the protesters group who tried to change, but some about the differences between them. Next to the group of Europe considered as conservatives were the revolutionaries group of Europe who revolutionized and wanted to the change with the respect to the past through the slow process. So conservative were there who trying to change but slow process with the help of the past. Lastly, as a consequence, who support the past system of absolute monarchy and related to the reformation take place by the protest through the slow process. So three groups of Europe who trying to protest concerned to the change over the European society, one who liberals, another who radicals, and third who conservatives. So three groups were considered as the revolutionaries. So liberals, radicals, and the conservative related to the ideas led to the change about the European society. After that, industrial society will be emerged during 18th century. We are already know before about the Europe, and which led to the social change. Social change will be occur especially in Britain as well as the England and the France over the Europe during 18th century through the development of the cotton and metal industries. Accordingly, the primary producers who convert to the secondary producers, and secondary producers form the group of society who considered as factory workers, and those organized together and led to the industrial society as a social change with the help of the factory system. But some about the problem concerned to the industrial society, likely to the two group will be emerged. One who the owner of the factory as an individual, and another who working classes became exploited over the Europe, and workers trying to protest against to the exploitation which considered as low wages, maximum hour of the work, and another type of exploitation like the lack of survival and the privilege. So concern to the problem will be arises during the industrial revolution as an industrial society due to the low wages, long hour of work, individualism, and concern to the formation of nation state as a liberal, radical, and conservative as towards the view of the nationalism. So relate to the support to the socialism will be emerged over the Europe as the growing of the socialism in Europe with the help of socialists. Some about the socialists who trying to change about the Europe like Robert Owen from USA, Louis Blanc from France led to the view of the cooperative society. Karl Marx, Friedrich Engels led to the communist system as a communism from the Europe among the Germany as well as the Austria and the other parts of the Europe. So related to the new system of the change will be come out over the Europe as support to the socialism. Socialism became as a principle in which and by which cooperative society will be emerged, and cooperative system led to the system of the administration and management. Accordingly, the socialism of Europe will be advocated by the Robert Owen, Louis Blanc, Karl Marx, Friedrich Engels as about the principle of communism through the cooperative system. Support for socialism will be emerged and led to the spread of socialism in 1870, which considered about the way of the Russian Revolution in Europe. So concerned to the socialism will be spread through the communism. Formation of the Second International come out as a Labour Party of Britain SPD in Germany in 1905 and European administration will be changed with the help of the liberal, radical and conservatives. In this way, the Russian Revolution 1914 to 1918 during First World War will be emerged. As about the matter concerned to the 1917 related to the change take place over the Europe, as about the Russian Revolution, as especially 1914 to 1917 or 18. So, position of the economy and the society of the Russia during the Russian Revolution were not so good. Russian society will be subdivided between two groups, one who group became as honor and another who group became as a factory workers. So individualism preferred over the Europe, and next to the change take place in Russia in 1914 to 1917. The Russian Empire during 1914 will be administered by the Tsar Nicholas II. Tsar Nicholas II became as honor of the Russia during 1914, and those composition of the Russia as about the Russia, Finland, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, Poland, Ukraine and Belarus. Catholic, Protestant, Muslim and Buddhist were the religious group of the Russian society. So Russian society will be subdivided between the four religious group, one who Catholic, probably the Orthodox thinkers, another who Protestant, Muslim and the Buddhist. Economic condition of the Russia were not so good because Russia suffered from the too much exploitation and the tension between the liberal, radical and the conservatives. So concerned to the society as industrial area, St. Petersburg and the Moscow. Only two areas became as industrial area from Russia during the 1914 as St. Petersburg, and second one as the capital city of Russia became as Moscow. Classification of workers and the farmers became also visualized in Russian society. Workers became subdivided between the first as privileged and second as non-privileged, and those established close to the right and left bank of the Neva rivers. Now let us come to the socialism in Russia will be spread with the help of the leadership of Lenin, Vladimir Lenin, RSDW in 1898 as a socialist idea of the Karl Marx will be spread. Socialist Revolutionary Party will be formed in 1900 as a Bolshevik party with the leadership of the Lenin, and those led to the quality of the member from the Russia. Another group of Russia became as a Menshevik, who became owned as open to all about the German view of the new principle of revolutionary change. Cause of the 1905 revolution from Russia will be became as first one about the declining of the real wages of the workers, price rise condition to the market, too much working hour, low wages, all are about the causes of the 1905 revolution from Russia. And the Father Gapon from St. Petersburg, who organized the workers and protest against the low wages, high price, too much working hour and the declining of the real wages. In this way, 100 workers were killed and 300 workers were wounded. Those happening were called the Bloody Sunday. As about the day of the Sunday when Father Gapon organized protest, and accordingly 1905 revolution from St. Petersburg will be organized. Demand for the Constituent Assembly come out over the workers' class, and according to that Duma were formed. But due to the monopoly of the king, Duma were abolished after 75 days. Second Duma will be established, and those also abolished after 3 months. And then about the organization led to the third Duma. The Russian Empire during the First World War as organized together to the Central Power as Germany, Austria and the Turkey as United Power, France, Britain and Russia. Rasputin became protest against autocracy during the revolution and trying to overcome about the problems of Russia and about the welfare of the workers. Now Unit 3 from the chapter indicate about the St. Petersburg or the Petrograd related to the revolution considered as February Revolution in 1917 from Russia. Accordingly, the February Revolution 1917 will be occur over the Russia due to the different reasons. First reasons toward the February Revolution, protest to the continuing of the Duma, protest for the welfare of the worker and to control the autocracy and to solve the problem of the bread, wages, better hour of the workers and the democracy. So related to the fact will be organized who considered as about the February Revolution from Petrograd. Outcome of the revolution, workers and the soldiers of the Petrograd formed the Soviet or the Council. Accordingly, abdication of the monarch on 2 March will be come out, formation of the provincial government, formation of the Constituent Assembly and universal adult franchise also visualized in Russia. April thesis also led by the Lenin, and accordingly 95 theses of April thesis, 3 theses will be 95 theses will be summarized as a 3 theses of the Lenin. According to that 3 theses, the transfer of the land to the peasant, nationalism of the bank, nationalization of the bank, and the renaming of the Bolshevik party called the Communist Party. Some about the objective of the Bolshevik party or the Workers' Party who formed by the Lenin, as about the spread of communism, equality preference of the workers, a spread of socialism in Russia, and to overcome about the autocratic traditional system who influence over the Russian Empire. Now, causes of the October Revolution also discussed as about the chapter in 1917. Causes of the October Revolution in Russia as protest against the provincial government, protest against the dictatorship, mobilization to the Petrograd Soviet or the Bolshevik party to oppose the Russian Congress, to form the action of the Bolshevik party. All are about the main view or the objective towards the 1917 October Revolution in Russia. So, third unit indicate about the consequence and causes of the October Revolution in Russia, those led to the change and establishment of the Bolshevik domination in Russia. Now let us come to the Unit 4 indicate about the outcome of the October Revolution 1917 of Russia. Accordingly, the nationalization of the bank and industry take place over the Russia, and next to the abolition of the title among the aristocrat, Russian Communist Party will be formed and civil war will be arises over the Russian economy. As about the white, considered as czarist, who support the traditional system, and green, considered as a modern system with the leadership of Lenin as Bolshevik party. Centralized system of Russia will be introduced first as over the world as about 5-year plan in 1927. Making of the socialism will be come out over the Russia, and those led to the communism with the help of the principle of Karl Marx. After the death of Lenin, Stalin became the chief of the Bolshevik party during the party in 1929 to 1931. Stalin led to the collectivization. Collectivization, where the principle according to that the cooperative farming will be introduced and the MSP will be decided by the government, and accordingly some about the grain and other goods will be sold related to the principle will be passed by the government. As the centralized planning of Russia led to the making of socialism and the society, so collectivization will be started by the Stalin. Reasons to failure, but those became failure due to the opposition of the aristocrats and the some about the peasants, as millions of the 2 millions of the prisoners tortured and executed by the Stalin government. Accordingly, legacy of the Russian Revolution come out as a socialism, communism and the planned system. Something about the chapter at a glance concerned to the question as what are the cause of the socialism in Europe? What are the main reasons behind the Russian Revolution as February Revolution as well as the October Revolution? Differences between the liberal, radical and conservative. Discussion about the industrial society and social change over the Europe. Growing of the socialism in Europe and the support to the socialism, way to the support of socialism. Causes of the Russian Revolution 1914 to 1917, position of the Russian economy, society during the Russian Revolution, so spread of steps to a spread of socialism in Russia, cause of 1905 revolution, cause of February Revolution from Russia in 1917, cause of October Revolution and their outcome. Thank you.